Potatoes are a versatile and very nutritious root vegetable. It is relatively inexpensive and is a staple in many homes. About 2,000 different types of potato, which belongs to the nutritiousness family, are grown in the world. Potatoes, which are not seen as a very healthy food due to the high carbohydrates and starch they contain, are actually a source of fiber, potassium, B6, and vitamin C. It is rich in antioxidants. It helps regulate blood sugar with the resistant starch it contains. It supports the digestive system, is gluten-free and satiating. Potatoes can be cooked in many ways, and their nutritional values and health benefits vary according to these cooking methods. Steaming or baking without peeling is the healthiest way to consume potatoes. It is a good source of antioxidants. Potatoes contain compounds that act as antioxidants, such as flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acids. These compounds can neutralize free radicals that increase the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Helps regulate blood sugar. Potatoes contain a special type of starch known as resistant starch. This starch is not digested in the small intestine but instead reaches the large intestine where it becomes a food source for beneficial bacteria in the intestines. Studies have found that resistant starch is especially effective in controlling blood sugar and reducing insulin resistance. Improves digestive health. The resistant starch in potatoes may also improve digestive health. This starch, which is a food source for beneficial gut bacteria, is converted from short-chain fatty acids to butyrate by bacteria. Studies have shown that butyrate can reduce inflammation in the colon, increase colon resistance, and reduce the risk of colorectal cancer. Also, butyrate may help patients with inflammatory bowel disorders such as Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, and diverticulitis. Apart from that, the high fiber content of potatoes regulates bowel movements, can help heal diarrhea quickly, and helps restore potassium lost during diarrhea. It is naturally gluten-free. Potatoes are naturally gluten-free. For this reason, it is an extremely suitable food for people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. However, since some dishes made with potatoes may contain gluten, be sure to learn the full list of ingredients before consuming. The benefits of potato peel, which contains plenty of potassium. Balance blood pressure. It reduces the risk of heart palpitations. Among the benefits of raw potatoes is that it is good for bruises on the skin. You can lighten the tired appearance and dark circles by putting the potato in. Circles in your eyes. Raw potato benefits are one of the most natural remedies for non-serious burns and rashes. It facilitates digestion by removing gas and acids in the stomach and relaxes the stomach. Since potato is a vegetable rich in vitamins and minerals, it has a regulating effect on the nervous system. It is good for the thyroid with the selenium in its content and the skin health with the manganese. Thanks to its phosphorus content, it contributes positively to sexual power. The benefits of potatoes on the skin include moisturizing dry skin, preventing wrinkles around the eyes, healing sunburns, softening the skin, and removing stains. Boiled potato benefits are perfect for diarrhea. On the days when you experience this ailment, you can consume plenty of boiled potatoes. Thanks to its vitamin B6 content, it acts as a treatment against stress and chronic fatigue. Folate, which increases breast milk, is abundant in potatoes. Nursing mothers can consume potatoes. Potatoes prevent the risk of cancer with vitamin B9, which ensures the formation of healthy and new cells. In cases of indigestion, bloating, and especially constipation, you can work your intestines by eating potatoes. Against hair loss, you can wash your hair by adding potato juice to the rinsing water, or you can directly massage your scalp with potato juice. Is potato weakening? If you pay attention to your form and determine your eating habits according To this goal, with the right consumption program, potatoes can be on your list. If you have stomach ailments, you can use the cure prepared with raw potato juice as an alternative method for treatment. In addition to getting rid of your excess weight, you can consume 1 glass of the cure every morning, which you can obtain by extracting all the juice from a completely peeled potato in a juicer to relieve your back and joint pain complaints. What are the harms of potatoes? It is recommended to eat potatoes, which has the risk of gaining weight when you consume too much and especially as frying in oil, like any good food. If you are someone who pays attention to your weight, the questions of how many calories in 1 French fries or does a potato cause gas may be in the back of your mind every time you consume it. The most correct answer to this would be to eat in your decision. Another risk for this beautiful vegetable is potato poisoning. The solanine substance formed in the potato, which has a green layer on it, causes a poisoning with symptoms such as dizziness and diarrhea. Therefore, stay away from green potatoes. Except for these conditions. If you consume it moderately and your body does not produce potato allergies, you can easily enjoy this beautiful vegetable. Don't forget to like the channel and subscribe.